Students, welcome to the first session of chapter 10, Reflection and Dispersion of Light of Subject Science of class 8th. Students, in class 7th, we have learned about the basic properties of light. That light travel in a straight path. And we have also studied about the phenomenon reflection. In reflection, ray of light falls on a shiny opaque object and get bounced back. This phenomenon is called reflection of light. In class 8th, we are going to study what happens when light travels from one medium to another. Medium means when it travels from air to water or to glass. Means it travels from solid to liquid, liquid to gas or vice versa. This phenomenon it is called refraction of light. When a ray of light propagating along a straight line in one transparent medium enters another transparent medium, it is observed to change its direction of propagation or it bends its path. This observation is due to the phenomenon known as refraction of light. Such observations are basically due to change in speed of light as it goes from one medium to another. Means when it travels, light travels in air, it has some other speed than the when it travel in a water or liquid, or when it travel in a glass or in solid. Means in all the three medium the speed of light is different. So that is the cause of refraction. So refraction is the phenomenon in which a ray of light propagating in one transparent medium changes its direction of propagation when it goes into another transparent medium. Students, look at the pictures given on your screen. You can see the pencil that is dipped in glass of water is viewed to be as broken or bent near the surface of water. And in the second picture you can see a girl is looking behind from the glass of water and the shape of her face has changed. Why it is so? These are these two observations, these are because of the refraction of light. As light travel from one medium to another, that is from air to water and also to glass, that is solid. Water is liquid, air is gaseous state. So it means the speed of light is different in different mediums. Now causes of refraction. Now you know that the speed of light is different in different medium. In vacuum, light propagates at the speed of nearly 3 lakh kilometers per second. When it enters any other transparent medium, its speed decreases. It means the maximum speed is in vacuum or in air. It is this change in speed of light that causes a light ray to bend when it goes from one medium to another. Thus, the bending of light ray is basically due to change in speed of light when it goes from one medium to another. Now, the speed of light in a given medium is taken as indicator of its optical density. Means when there is more speed of light in given medium, the medium will be less optically denser and vice versa. Means when the speed of light is less in a given medium, it means it is more in optical density. It has high optical density. Vacuum has the least optical density because the speed of light is maximum in vacuum. If any two given media, the one having higher value for the speed of light in it is referred to as optically rarer of the two media. The other having lower value for the speed of light in it is referred to as the optically denser of the to media. The speed of light in water is 2.25 lakh kilometer per second, and the speed of light in normal glass is 2 lakh kilometer per second, and the speed of light is very low in diamond, that is 1.25 lakh kilometer per second. Now next term related to refraction is refractive index. Refractive index is the ratio of speed of light in a given pair of media. Means a ray of light passing from one medium to another, for example from air to glass or air to water. It gives us the measure of extent of refraction or bending of ray of light as it goes from one medium to another. So relative refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is speed of light in medium 1 divided by speed of light in medium 2. For example, medium 1 it can be air and second can be glass or water. If only one medium is given, then we can consider medium 1 as air or vacuum. Now the refractive index of absolute refractive index of a medium is defined as speed of light in vacuum to the ratio to the speed of light in given medium. Means second medium can be glass or water or any other. It may be any other solid or liquid or even gas. So this is the about the refractive index. Now, what is the relation between refractive index and optical density? You know that more is the speed of light, less will be the optical density, and less will be the speed of light, then more will be the optical density. It is vice versa. Now, what is the relation between refractive index and optical density? The refractive index of medium is an indicator as well as measure of the optical density. The more the refractive index, more is the optical density. Means refractive index is opposite of the speed of light. More is the speed of light, less will be the refractive index, and vice versa. Now students, you have to write answers of these questions in your rough notebook. Question number 1, define refraction. Question number 2, mention the cause of refraction. Question number 3, define refractive index and optical density and write relation between them. Question number 4, write the speed of light in water, glass and air. That's all for today. Student, thank you and have a nice day.